Hey guys, today we have an exciting unboxing. You already saw the thumbnail, you already read the title, so let's get into it. This came to me from a private seller, and I will not be sharing any of his information because, I suppose he posts stuff about selling, but I don't really want him to be flooded with a bunch of people asking for stuff, so I'll be nice and not post his information. But this came from him, and we have some rhino beetles, some stag beetles, and some flower beetles. We have mostly adults, but also larvae. There's probably stuff in this. This is flake soil for our one larva. Let's look at what we got in the box. I know what's in here. You guys don't. Is there anything in this? This is nothing. What are you? GTC? This is a stag beetle. He's not as big as I thought he would be. He's actually not that big at all. That's fine. We can get a close-up look of all of these in a minute. It's cool. This is a Dorcas titanus casting color. This is a male, an adult male. I don't know how much juice he has left in him, how much longer he's going to live, but this is cool. I'm going to put this in a container, a holding receptacle, if you will. I'm going to put him in here until I set up his enclosure. I didn't think this was going to arrive today, or even at this time, so I'm not quite prepared, but it's okay. Let's see what this is. I don't know. This is our Dynastes Hercules. This is a Hercules beetle. Dynastes Hercules. This is a larva, so what I'm going to do is moisten up some flake soil and get a container to put this in. We got a nice container here. Let's get him in there. And we have a bunch of flake soil. I'll have to moisten this up, as I said. Since he's small, this should last him a while. Let's get this wetted. This stuff is very hydrophobic, but I think I got it good enough. See how big this is. Oh my god, it's so small. Dear Jesus, this thing's gonna last in here for years. Let's show this. Look at that. Gath my finger, and that's a Dynastes Hercules larva. A little tiny baby. Massive container. This guy is gonna last in here for a while. I don't need to worry about him much. Well, let's go. Well, time to forget about this guy for about 2 years. Alright, let's open up these. One of these we've seen before on the channel a while ago. I don't know if he's larger. He actually is, yes. His mandibles are much larger than the one that I had. They are a lot smaller than they could be, because I've seen males of this that are way bigger. He's an angry male. Look at him. He's trying to really show off. This is a Cyclomatus metaphyllorfinae. It's an adult male. I'm not going to try to pair them like I did last time. I'm not pairing beetles, dude. That's not what I do. I just keep cool stuff. But, yeah, it's a cool beetle. Alright, we have 3 more adults that we can look at here. They're pretty cool. Let's go get another holding receptacle for this guy. The next 3 are not very big. Let me close that up. I don't know if that's cocoa fiber or Next one is a Lamprima Adolphinae adult male. These guys are not very large in general, but this one's just kind of small. That's fine though. He's cool. Come on, come here. How are you hanging onto the plastic? It's plastic. Maybe I can push him out. There we go. This male's like golden. This guy's really cool. Once again, not very large, but this species is not very large in general, so that's fine. It's really cool, actually. Another holding receptacle. I think it would make sense to put some of the stuff they were in inside the holding receptacle so they have something to hold on to. Alright, next up. This is a Xylotropes florensis. This is, he said he would just, these are a freebie. I hope this isn't a larva, because he said this was going to be an adult. Oh, it is a larva. Huh. I mean, it is free, so can't really complain. I can't say it's not what I ordered, because, I mean, I straight up just didn't order it. I got it for free, so. Xylotropes florensis. It's just a little grub. So, I guess I'll get another enclosure and then just put more flake soil in it. So, that works. This one is the last one. This is a Euclidia squizzy chizzy flugibuda. I'll put the name up on screen. I'm not reading it out. It's so long. This is a flower beetle. This guy is large. This guy is much larger than I thought he would be. I'll go to Target and get some nice enclosures for all of them. Sick. Right, we can get a close-up of all of them after this thing is over now. This is the Euclidia, or Eucydella, however you pronounce it. It's a flower beetle. Very pretty. This will make a beautiful pinned specimen when it dies, whenever that happens. These are all adults. I don't know how old they are. They all might die next week. They might live 2 more months. So, you know, it's kind of cool. All right, holding receptacle. On to the next. Lamprima Adolphinae. Ooh, that's like a threat pose right there. You can see that their horns poke up. This is a stag beetle, though. So, oh, is it about to fly? It's like doing something with his butt. If it is about to fly, I don't want it to. This is my Cyclomatus metaphyllorphinae. Nice male. Big old antenna. Nice formidable mandibles. Cool. This is the Dorcas titanus cast in color. This is technically the biggest beetle we got, but it is not the largest potential beetle because, you know, we still have larva of Hercules beetle, which is the largest beetle in the world. This guy's pretty chill, honestly. A lot calmer than my other stag beetles. He's sick, though. Look at that. Awesome. All right, guys. That's about all for this one. See ya.